Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome. In this video, I will explain how to set up your Orion Grid Connect smart home devices. Orion Grid Connect is a comprehensive ecosystem designed to bring various smart products together, including security cameras, smart locks, and sensors. The entire system is managed through the free Grid Connect app, which serves as your central control hub. This guide will help you integrate your devices seamlessly for enhanced home automation and security. To begin, download the Grid Connect app, available for both iOS and Android devices. Once installed, create a new account or simply log in if you already have one. It is crucial that your home Wi-Fi network operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency for successful pairing. Then, follow the clear, step-by-step instructions within the app to connect each of your Orion Grid Connect devices, ensuring a smooth setup process. With your devices paired, you can now effortlessly control all your Orion products from the single Grid Connect app. Explore the automation features to create custom rules, allowing your devices to work together seamlessly. For example, a sensor could trigger a light. You will also receive real-time notifications and can review a detailed history of all device activity, helping you optimize your smart home experience. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your device is connected to a stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. If you change your router or network details, you may need to repair your devices. For specific problems, always refer to the detailed product manual that came with your Orion Grid Connect device. If you still need help, do not hesitate to contact customer support for expert assistance, ensuring your system runs smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.